Hi friends, my name is Shriya. Today we will make another Rakhi. So we need Fevicol, scissor, one ribbon and 3 color foam sheet. I have taken blue, purple and golden color. So you can take as per your choice. Now we have to cut into 3 shapes. I have cut it into square, circle and star shape. Now I have cut it into 3 shapes that are square, circle and star. Now first we have to take square shape and circle shape. We will apply glue on square shape at the center. Now I will stick the star shape on circle shape at the middle. We have to press it. Leave it 5 minutes for dry. Now this is dry. Now let's stick it between the ribbon. We have to press it again. Leave it for drying. After drying, our Rakhi is ready. See, it's looking so beautiful on my hand. It will look beautiful on your hand too. See you next time. Bye bye, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.